Students, welcome to your English online lecture. Myself, Miss Pooja, I am going to teach you the subject English of Standard First. So students, are you all ready for learning subject English of Standard First? Students, as you all know, we are learning English grammar from our combined book, and our grammar, English grammar, we have completed 2 topics also in the previous online lecture. Yes or no, students? Do you all remember which was the topic? Yes, it was lesson number 15, describing words, and also we have studied prepositions in, on, under. So in our today's online lecture also we have studied in the previous online lecture the comprehension. Yes or no, students? Yes, from our combined book. Now, in our today's online lecture, we are going to study the home assignment. It was supposed to be your homework, but I am showing you in this video so that you can do it as a homework in your combined book. So, let us begin. Students, open your English Grammar Navjeevan term book, book number 2. Have you all opened it? Okay. Now, just open your English grammar part. English grammar and composition part starts from page number 24 to 48. So, let us see and perform the homework assignment, home assignment on page number 37 of your combined book. So open page number 37. Students, open your page number 37, home assignment. Now, I am going to explain you this in very short, and you are going to do as a homework. As already we have learnt chapter number 15, describing words. So related to that lesson, this home assignment for y'all it is given. But the concept was little important, and so I have explained you in this video so that you will not get confused. Okay, students? So I will discuss with you in detail, and then you are going to write in your combined book. So let us begin with page number 37, home assignment. English grammar, home assignment, page number 37 and 38 of combined book. Let us begin learning with the describing words. Home assignment. Use suitable describing words for each. Now students, just remove your page number 37. Okay? Yes, there are describing words. So let us see which words are there. So you can see a short diagram type boxes where you can see in your combined book also 4 boxes are given to you all. 4 boxes are empty, and here you have to write the describing words. In the between, myself is written. Now, in myself, Which words can you describe about yourself? That you have to write in the box. बच्चों, डिस्क्राइबिंग वर्ड्स हमने ऑलरेडी चैप्टर नंबर 15 में फिनिश किया है और ये होम असाइनमेंट आपको कंबाइंड बुक पेज नंबर 37 में प्रैक्टिस के लिए दिया गया है. बट ये इम्पॉर्टेंट है इसीलिए मैं आपसे डिस्कस करूँगी. आपको बीच में एक वर्ड दिया है माई सेल्फ और वहाँ पे 4 एम्प्टी बॉक्स है, यानी कि 4 खाली बॉक्स है. तो उसमें आपको कौन सा वर्ड लिखना है ये हम देखेंगे. तो ऑलरेडी आप देख सकते हो आपके मोबाइल स्क्रीन पर फ्लैश हो रहा है. मैंने यहाँ पे 4 डिस्क्राइबिंग वर्ड्स लिखे हैं. माई सेल्फ यानी खुद के बारे में. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, माई सेल्फ मीन्स you will write any 4 describing words that is describing yourself. आपको अपने बारे में 4 describing words लिखने हैं. तो वो कोई भी वर्ड हो सकते हैं. So I have shown you. Let us see. The first word is clever. CLEVER clever. Myself में फर्स्ट वर्ड है clever जो कि है describing word. हम बच्चों माई सेल्फ में लिखते हैं I am a clever boy. Yes or no? So clever is a describing word. Second is intelligent. INTILLEGENT. Intelligent. You can also write in myself that I am clever and intelligent boy. So intelligent is a describing word. Third one is smart. SMART smart. थर्ड बॉक्स में दिया गया है स्मार्ट. ये सारे वर्ड्स हम यूज़ कर सकते हैं माई सेल्फ लिखने में. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, SMART स्मार्ट. फोर्थ वर्ड इज फ्रेंडली. FRIENDLY friendly. So these are the 4 describing words, okay students, that you are going to do at your homework. So you can also write smart. SMART smart. I am a smart boy. I am a smart girl. In myself you can write. And the fourth word is friendly. FRIENDLY friendly. You can also write friendly. I am friendly with my friends. So these are the 4 describing words. The first word is clever. CLEVER clever. Second word is intelligent. INTILLEGENT intelligent. Third word is smart. SMART smart. And the fourth word is friendly. FRIENDLY friendly. Now let us see the next one. Second one, my parents. The middle of the circle, the word is given my parents, and you have to write the 4 describing words in the boxes. So I have shown my parents. What can you write about your parents? Yes, you can describe many words, but here only 4 words we have to describe. The first word is loving. LOVING loving. Second word is caring. CARING caring. The third word is helpful. HELPFUL helpful. And the fourth describing word is kind. KIND kind. So students, I hope so all the 4 words you have understood. Loving. Now your parents are loving and caring in nature Am I right, students? So here we have described the word loving, caring. Also, your parents are helpful. Parents always, mother and father, help us in every work. So, helpful, H-E-L-P-F-U-L, helpful. And the fourth one is kind. Their nature is very kind and loving. Yes or no, students? We do lot of mistake. Then also our parents forgive us. So their nature is kind, K-I-N-D, kind. These four are the describing words. The next one is my friend. Now the same I have used for a friend also, because the friend's nature is also similar to the parents. Yes or no? Friends are helpful, friends are kind, loving, caring, sharing, many things, many of the describing words, many words are there to describe the friend. So here you can write in the box, my friend, in the middle is given. Now you have to write 4 describing words. First one is kind, K-I-N-D, kind. Second word is helpful, H-E-L-P, help, F-U-L, full, helpful. Third one is loving, L-O-V-I-G, loving. And the fourth one is caring, C-A-R-I-N-G, caring. So these 4 describing words I have not changed. I have kept the same words for my parents as well as my friend, because friends are very close to us and also their nature is kind. They always help, loving nature, caring nature, like parents. Yes or no, students? Yes. So you are going to complete this in your combined book. So in your page number 37, as a homework, you will write the describing words. Myself, you can describe clever, intelligent, smart, friendly. My parents, you can write 4 describing words: loving, caring, helpful, kind. Okay. Now turn the page number 38. Page number 38, my friend, kind, helpful, loving, caring. So students, complete both the page number 37 and page number 38 as a homework. Now students, I am going to explain you the myself also on page number 39, which was given as a Ganesh Utsav homework to you all. But the question can be asked in your exam, myself. So I am giving you the myself as a homework. Okay. So just have a look to myself. So standard first English grammar, chapter number 20, all about myself. Now let us see on page number 39, all about myself. You have to write myself in your combined book, and this was given to you all as a Ganesh Utsav holiday. Those who have done the Ganesh Utsav holiday homework, they will not do, but this is a revision for all of the students, myself, as this is very important topic, and those who have not done it in the combined book, they can do it by watching the video. So students, open your page number 39. Chapter number 20, all about myself. Now in your senior KG class, you have studied myself. Yes or no? Yes. And all of you know to write myself, because in your senior KG class, it was there in your English. So now we are going to learn the composition and we are going to revise with some more points. Chapter number 20, all about myself. Formative assessment classwork. Stick your photograph below. Now you have to paste your photograph there. बच्चों, चैप्टर नंबर 20 माई सेल्फ आपने आपके सीनियर केजी क्लास में पढ़ा होगा, लेकिन अब यहाँ पे हम माई सेल्फ पढ़ने वाले हैं जिसमें कुछ पॉइंट्स एक्स्ट्रा दिए गए हैं और हम इसे देखेंगे। आपको पेज नंबर 39 कंपाइन बुक में ओपन करना है। वहाँ पे लिखा है स्टिक योर फोटोग्राफ बिलो। आपको अपनी फ़ोटो वहाँ बॉक्स के यहाँ पे फेविकॉल से स्टिक करना है। ओके स्टूडेंट्स, आप अपनी फ़ोटो स्टिक करोगे और होमवर्क फिनिश करोगे। नाउ लेट अस सी, माय नेम इज डैश। नाउ स्टूडेंट्स will write their name. Students name will come in the answer. बच्चों, आपको आपका नाम लिखना है वहाँ पे डैश में। My name is dash. So you will write your full name. Now second point, I am a dash. Now those who are boy will write I am a boy, B-O-Y boy, and those who are girl they will write I am a girl, G-I-R-L, girl. Okay students. Third point, I live in Nalasopara. Now this will be same. Everyone will write Nalasopara. I live in Nalasopara. Spelling is N-A-L-L-A-S-O-P-A-R-A, Nalasopara. Fourth point, I am dash years old. Now you are how much year old students? You will write the answer I am 6 years old. Those who are 6 years old, they will write 6 years. Those who are 7 years old, they will write 7 years. Okay students. Now the next point, fifth point, I study in standard first. Now you all are studying in standard first. So you will write first. Sixth point, I go to Divine Life High School. Now which school you are studying in? You are studying in Divine Life High School. The name of your school is Divine Life High School. The next is dash and dash are my friends. I have written Rohan and Tina. You can write your friend's name. R-O-H-A-N, Rohan, and Tina, T-E-E-N-A, Tina. Now turn the page number 40. Page number 40. My best friend's name is Soham. Now I have written here Soham. You can write your best friend's name. I love to play dash cricket. I have written cricket. You can write your favorite game. Next, I play with ball in the evening. I play with ball. You can write anything that you play. My teacher's name is Miss Pooja. I have written my name. You can write any of the teacher's name. No issue. Now, the next one is my mother's name is. You are going to write your mother's name. Spelling of your mother's name. The last one, second last, my father's name is. Now you will write your father's name. The last one, I love to eat burgers and sandwiches. Now you can write your favorite dish which you like to eat. I have written burgers and sandwiches. Dictation. Here are the words that we have studied about myself. This was the homework. Still I am revising you as the myself can come in the semester exam. So students, just complete the myself also as a homework, page number 39 and page number 40. Dictation word. First word Nalasopara, Nallasopara, Nalasopara. Second word live, Live, live. Third word study, Study, study. Fourth word standard, Standard, standard. The next one is name, Name, name. The next is divine life, Divine, divine, Life, life. The next is school, School, school. The next is friends, Friends, friends. The next is teacher, Teacher, teacher. The next is play, Play, play. The next is cricket, Cricket, cricket. The next is mother, Mother, mother. The next is father, Father, father. The next is love, Love, love. The next is eat, eat. The next is burgers, Burgers, burgers. The next is sandwiches, Sandwiches, sandwiches. The next is Rohan, Rohan, Rohan. The next is Tina, Tena, Tina. The last is Soham, Soham, Soham. So, I hope students you have understood both the home assignment as well as myself. So, students, complete page number 37, 38, 39 and 40 at your home. Thank you for watching today's lecture. Stay connected for the next English grammar lecture. Till then, stay safe, stay home.